How you can make Funtime Freddy and gacha. Move the camera for a second. Yep. Okay, now let's do this. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Dude, this is so hard being on the bed. Okay, I charged it up. Now, let's do this. Okay. Head AC 3162. Head AC 3163. Hat 3122. Scarf 67. And face AC 41. Face AC 41 as well. Face AC 141 as well. Eyes 33. Shirt 23. Sleeves 73. Shoe 4122. Pants 23. Drop 25. Gloves, just choose any one, but not these two. And not that one, or that one, or that one, or that one. But yeah. Sorry, I got an itch. If I think that's all. Hold on. Head, yeah. I guess you can say it's over. Okay, just make it white. And just, you know, put it on that. Anyway. Oh yeah, I forgot. Pupils 999. Pause and copy it. And you're finished.